Convenient and very happy. Always stayed at Premier whenever I in Klang. Very happy. Staycation too comfortable to stay in. Exceptional close to her. I like it. Hotel service good hotel service. Very satisfied. Pleasant stay room overall good. Worth the money. Superb service recommended. Exceptional. Staying because of work. The room, all okay, the staff is very friendly and helpful. But, the thing that is not okay is the lighting during the ceremony in the ballroom. I don't know why it was so dark during the award presentation. Spotlight is accompanying the stage. Reach the stage, Padam. Chalap. How to take pictures even in the dark. Perfect location located in Bukit Tinggi, very good location, 5 minutes drive to Eon, clean room and helpful staff, what more could you ask? Nice hotel, nice room, the pool was awesome, breakfast also great. Premier Hotel superb, that's all, hee hee hee. Excellent stay. The rooms were large, and spotlessly clean and surrounded by many restaurant, nearby shopping malls and convenient to move around. Good service. Service was excellent at Premier Hotel. My family enjoyed their stay there. Amazing, the best stay in Klang. Amazing, the best stay in Klang. Strategic location, easy access to everywhere. The hotel also next to the Tesco. One of the best in Klang, definitely one of the best hotel in Klang. Everything was good except the TV channels need to upgrade for more value. Staff were very helpful and top notch. Will repeat to stay here again if and ever I come to Klang. Definitely value for money, very clean. Water heater was superbly hot. My wife loved it. Exceptional. Sukadenganbao Hotel ni, Bilik Bersih, Kuma Bilik Airtake Bathtub, Kalau Ada, Lagi Bagus. Buffet breakfast Soso Jela, Tapi Staff Sergeant Bramadan Sergeant Mambantu. Exceptional, very good hotel and facilities, friendly hotel staff. Satisfied, very comfortable and happy stay here.